All right, it's Senior Prestige Motorsports. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you how we set up a mechanical distributor. This will hold true for anything we do 347, 427, whether it be a 383 Chevrolet small block, carbureted type situation. So first we'll kind of show you a little bit of the tools you're going to need that we use. You got a Phillips, this needle nose that's curved, a magnet, and 11/32 wrench, and a pair of these pliers. We have a set of pliers that are kind of smoothed off and stuff. So these are the tools that we use. So number one, all the information is within MSD, and we'll kind of go over this really fast. So one of the first things is we select our spring setup, and we use one silver, one blue. And what that, in essence, what that gives is full advance right around 3,000 RPM. That's what we're kind of looking for. So the other thing that we select is our bushing. So basically we select a bushing that is 18 degrees advance in it when you install that. So it's the shortest curve. So in essence, what that does is give us the most advance at idle, and that's what we're looking for, type situation. And it's a fairly fast curve. There's only one more spring that's lighter than that, so it advances pretty fast. 3,000, it's all in. So that's kind of, and it tells you all this within this situation, the instructions that are given to you from MSD. So this is, we're just kind of relating, this is what we select out of that. They have really good information. So we'll just kind of go, I've already changed the bushing. Obviously the 11/32 is to take the nut off. These are really handy in a distributor like this to get the bushing back in, the nut started, things of that nature. It's really, especially when it's tight like this. So these are really handy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the original springs that come in it, which are pretty mean. So go like that. Go like that. Then you take your other spring, and I recommend to put it on the post here first. This post is technically a little smaller than this post, so it's a little easier. You just put it over there, take your thumbnail, boom, like that. Go over, rotate it around. See that post, it kind of snaps on a little hard. There again, stretch it. Goes on like that. So if you do it the other way, it's a little harder to get on that post because it's bigger. So that's a little easier. Just make sure after you put it on that it advances good and everything's good. So that's how we set it up. Usually what this will give you is at 1,000 RPM, it'll be about 17 degrees. Obviously you're in the curve, so it bounces a good bit right there, a couple degrees. And if it's 17 at 1,000, it'll be 32 degrees full advance, and that's what we pretty much recommend on anything that's a pump gas vehicle. So that's all we have. Have a great day.